One of my favorite parts of what I do is that connection that you develop with people. It is so gratifying and fulfilling for me. I'm Joellē McCaulley, and my business is Sweet Medicine Massage and Bodywork, and I've been open about 2.5 years here in Lakewood. I chose the name Sweet Medicine for my business for several reasons, one of which being that self-care can feel good, self-care can feel enjoyable, and the other reason, Sweet Medicine is actually a nickname that my dad used to have for me when I was younger, and he was a huge reason why I was able to go to massage school, and I'm eternally grateful for all of his support. I feel like I've always been intuitively drawn to body work, but I really got inspired to get into this work after experiencing firsthand the power of body work and just how profound it can be, both emotionally, physically, mentally. After having my first massage, I was blown away and experienced so much relief from a lot of chronic anxiety that I was experiencing at the time. And I thought, this is what I want to help give to the world. This is what I want to share with people. My specialty is ashiatsu, which is Japanese for foot and pressure. So it's when I'm up on the table, I've got bars above the table that I'm using to stabilize myself, and I'm using my feet to massage. And I've chosen that modality because A, it's just really effective to receive. You're using a broader surface, so it's not as pinpointy as knuckles and fists and elbows and all that. So the body receives that treatment better. I can actually get deeper work done, and it's kind of on my body too. So it allows more longevity of my career. It allows me to do what I love to do longer. So it's a win-win. Something that I've really learned is just the power of habit in people's lives. Whether it's big or small, when you do it in repetition, it has a lot of power and a lot of compound interest, so to speak. I'm honored to see the power of regular massage in other people's lives, and people who are on a regular routine. Just the benefits that they've reaped has been really beautiful to see.